Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Honda HR-V. Prepare to be amazed at the clever cargo solutions, agile handling, safety technology, and bold style of this HR-V. This practical, comfortable mini crossover was designed with your active lifestyle in mind. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Don't miss the chance to drive a work of inspired ingenuity. This Honda HR-V is waiting to take you out for a spin.